Hello, my friends. I am so excited to share this month's Stamp and Die Hard Club set with you because they're so cute. I just want to squeeze them. I have a problem because I love them so much. Here we go. I am so excited to introduce you to not penguins, not pongos. What's a pongo? These are puffins. Puffins, my friends. So they have bigger beaks than penguins, but look how stinking cute they are. We have 3 on the club set, so our Stamp Club members are going to get this stamp set. I added in a cute little pail of fish and a cute little net, and of course I try to always now get in there the mini version for the back of your cards and also for you to decorate your envelopes. Now, what words do we have on here for my Stamp Club members? Hope your day is puffin' perfect. Just puffin' by to say hi. Oh, I'm sorry. It says just puffin' by to say, and you could put happy birthday. You could say happy anniversary. But I also added in hi. So that's a separate stamp just in case you want to say something else. You're puffin' amazing. Happy hello. Look at the cute little guy with his little hat on. This one's kind of saying, hey, how's it going? And this one's just looking at everybody. I love this. Now, you know, when I sit down to design, I can never stop at just one stamp sheet. Yes, there are add-ons for this collection. Yes, there is a stencil for this collection. Yes, there is so much more. Check out the website. Now, that's for my Stamp Club members. A lot of you are in the Stamp Club and you just want the stamps. That's fine. But most of you, our most popular club is the same stamps as the Stamp Club, but add on the dies that match. Why? Because we don't want to have to cut these out. Not me. So here we go. You are getting the inside dies and the shadow dies. So you can die cut with a shadow or without. Some people like one, some people like the other, some people like a variety. That's what I've done for you. You are getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 dies in this set. They all coordinate perfectly with our stamp set, right? Look how cute that is. Now, I have lots of fun samples to share with you. Stay tuned for that. You are also getting a handy dandy postcard with lots of ideas and pictures of the whole collection so you can make sure that you get what you want for your collection. And rest assured, my loves, there are tons more ideas in our online gallery. We'd have to send you a book of all the ideas. So go check out the idea gallery. Now, let's jump in and look at some of our awesome samples because they're so fun. Look at this. Adding hologram paper behind that is just so gorgeous. Look how fun that is. You're the sparkle in a snowy day. Sneak peek. Here's one that's really fun because this is using the stamps a little differently. This one is using the stamps as a background paper and not even the bigger stamps. This is using the extra little stamps, which is so much fun. Look how cute that is. I love that. Happy birthday. Then we have these. This is like a puffin party. Isn't that cute? I absolutely love how fun this is. Decorate your entire card with all of your fun puffins. Now, if you're looking at the puffins and saying, gosh, I really love those, but I don't want to have to get out my pens and color them all. I hear ya. That's why there's a stencil for a limited time that matches. So we do have stencils that match this. Get them quickly because they usually sell out. Here we go. Here's one on a side fold. Look how cute that is. Just puffing by to say, you're the sparkle in a snowy day. Isn't that adorable? How fun those 2 little guys are. Now, this one has a lot of sneak peeks on it. But I wanted you to see, look at that fun iceberg in there. What? Look at those fun fancy snowflakes. What? Look at those cute little guys all decorated, ready to go. Go check out the website for the extra collection items or watch the next video. Now, club members, you just get to breathe a sigh of relief knowing these items are already on their way to you. If you are not in our Stamp or Die Hard Club, you are missing out. Club members get a 15 to 20% discount off of every item on our website. Every item. Does that include yes? Does that include yes? Does that? Everything. There's no little asterisk saying does not include this, does not, everything. Also, you earn club points. Also, if you stay in our Stamper Die Hard Club for a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate. And we like to send you freebies every once in a while. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click join the club and just watch that video. It explains all the info you need to know. Those of you in the Stamp Club, sit back, relax, go check out the flash sales we have on the website right this second, and I will see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.